right, Christy, thank you. Now to the jury hearing even more testimony in the Alec Murdaugh double murder trial in Walterboro. A close friend of Murdaugh's testified about their relationship and how Murdaugh allegedly stole money from him. Our Jason Raven has more.
One of Alec Murdaugh's longtime friends testified he felt betrayed when he found out the disbarred attorney had allegedly stolen money from him, clients, and his former law firm. Bamberg attorney Chris Wilson said he met Murdaugh in law school. They remained close and their families even vacationed together. Wilson testified he and Murdaugh worked closely on dozens of cases. After the two won a case in early 2021, Murdaugh asked Wilson to send his $792 in legal fees in checks directly to him instead of the law firm. According to Wilson, Murdaugh said this was to protect the money with the ongoing civil lawsuit related to the deadly 2019 boat crash where Paul was charged. Wilson testified he trusted Murdaugh despite the odd request.
He told me that the partners were aware that the monies were being paid to him, that he was going to put them into annuities, and that they would be accounted for on the books of the firm as already having been credited as paid towards him.
Wilson said Murdaugh sent $600,000 of that money back, telling Wilson he had to change his plans. Wilson testified he also ended up loaning Murdaugh $192,000, money he says he never got back. Over Labor Day weekend 2021, Wilson said he learned about Murdaugh's alleged financial misdeeds and he spoke with him.
Did he confess to you the truth of his life, that those of whom were close to him, no one knew?
He confessed to me things about him that I didn't know.
And you had no idea about any of that?
No, sir.
And he said it had been going on for years, the reality of his life.
He told me that he had been addicted to opioids, and I think he said either for 20 or over 20 years.
And also?
And that he had been stealing money from his clients in the firm.
While being questioned by Murdaugh's attorney, Jim Griffin, Wilson said Murdaugh was distraught after the murders, and he was worried Murdaugh would hurt himself. He also testified he originally did not believe Murdaugh had anything to do with the murders.
I mean, he was distraught. He's destroyed and upset all the time and not eating, not sleeping. I talked to his brothers. I talked to his partner several times throughout the month of June and July just about him and what we were worried about may happen or what he may do.
More of Thursday's testimony included the CEO of Palmetto State Bank and the son of Murdaugh's late housekeeper who Murdaugh stole settlement money from. Jason Raven, 7 News.
A reminder, you can stay up to date on the Alec Murdaugh murder trial on air, online, on WSPA.com, and through the free 7 News app.